everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, and guess what? I decided to come with something very natural for you today. Hi everyone, thank you for joining me on my YouTube platform. In this video, I am going to be making a hair elixir or hair oil. Those of you who have tried this before, this is a blend of oregano, rosemary, and clove. Now, the reason I made this combination, it is because of the benefits it has been providing for my hair growth journey and also my son's hair. I did take a break off my YouTube platform because I felt that I needed to build the foundation for my business, get it out there in the public eyes before I come back on my platform to share everything with you. How has the brand been doing? I will definitely create a video and show you a lot of what I have been doing with the brand. We now carry our shampoos and conditioner. We do have some hair butters, some leave-in conditioner, and also the kids hair care line. Again, my brand is of plant-based. It's plant-based. I use a lot of herbs, a lot of essential oils, carrier oils, natural butters to make all the products that I have on my website, darcikinorganics.com. Also, I just started with Walmart.com. Currently, we have the hair care products, the adult line on Walmart, and we're hoping to bring the kids line. Now in this video, I just wanted to share this new hair elixir that I've been working on. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes and show you the foundation of it, where I do a combination of the three herbs, if some of you call them spices and herbs. I'm not sure where you're from, but three herbs that you could put in any carrier oil that you feel that is your foundation oil. If you know my brand, I love using avocado. Avocado could be heated up to about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It depends on which one you're using. I will be using avocado oil as my base because it's one of my favorite oils to use. You could use coconut oil if you do have coconut oil, whatever oil of your choice that could get to a certain temperature. With the avocado oil, I am going to, just maybe if I would have to do measurement, I would see about 3 cups of avocado oil to about a tablespoon of clove, oregano, and bay leaf. And then you place it on the heat, the stove top for about an hour, transitioning into 2 hours, and then you place it in your storage container, bottles, whatever the case may be. This has been, I just separated it because I am about to pour it into some miniature bottles. The leaves, we're going to take the stems and put it into the bottles like this, and we're going to pour the oil in there, and this is how we're going to have it on the shelf for our customers. So I will take a video and show you my son's hair. My hair, I'm cutting it again. Every year I like to do a flat cut, like cut all my hair and use any new product that I decide to present or introduce into the brand, use it to show how it could help the hair grow back and, show you the benefits of using this oil. This is the new magic hair elixir. It's a combination of these 3 oils. I have a few that I've jotted down that I really want to present on this platform. Again, creating a formulation does require certain percentages of what works. It's not just about taking a handful of herbs and then putting it into an oil and call it a hair elixir that is gonna grow. If you see on my table, I have jojoba oil right in my hands here. I have rice bran oil. I have hemp seed, castor oil. I also have, so this is hemp seed and my avocado based oil. And this is a 2-ounce bottle. This one here is my 4 ounce. Now the 4 ounce, I'm not going to be using this specific oil for the 4 ounce. I do have my hibiscus elixir, which is the brand oil itself, in a 4 ounce and not in the 2 ounce. The reason why I am placing this particular oil in this 2 ounce is because of the benefits that it has. When creating a hair elixir or hair oil, you have to do research and see when you merge 2 oils or 3 oils or 5 oils together, what benefits it is going to provide. Some people will just mix different oils together, do not have a formulation that will help the hair grow. It's not about just mixing oil. You need to have the right formulation to see the benefits of what the formulation you've created is given. For instance, if you're going to use a formulation, say for instance, I'm going to put 2% to a 5%. Why are you putting the 2% with the 5%? What are you looking to achieve? When they merge together, there is a reaction, some sort of, when you mix things together, do know that there is a reaction that happens that change the whole chemistry of a particular ingredient that you're using. And it is important to know that when you're making your formulation, you need to know what works best, what you're trying to accomplish, what benefits you're looking for your customers to get when you create it. It is important to do research and to study the different oils, the different mechanisms, the different reactions that happens when you merge ingredients together. If you are formulating a few research, a few studies on essential oil herbs, when an oil herb is in a specific oil, how it reacts to it, that is important in ensuring that you put a product out there that does provide the benefits to the customers when they purchase. So when a customer comes to you and say, you know something, I did see hair growth, or I did see my skin change, you know the reason why, because guess what? You have done all the work in educating yourself and learning how, different things react when merged together. Sometimes if you see I presented an oil and it takes me 1 year, 2 years before I execute or launch it, it is because there is a lot of work being done in the background, studying the herbs, studying the temperature, studying, okay, if it's at 50 degrees for this oil, maybe at this oil, I cannot put it at this. I cannot do it as that. That is important in Darcikinorganics formulation. This is a magic oil right now, and I am giving you guys just 2 ounces of it for you to try it out. A little goes a long way. I also have a water combination where I put the oil in and spray it over my head and my son hair. So this is what we're going to be using today. So I'm just trying to transfer it right now. As you could see, I had it on the stove. Now that it is cooled off, I am placing it into my 2 ounce. Thing is, I have the clove. I did not filter it because I do want some of the herbs and the cloves inside of it. Now, with every measurement, with every amount in the jar, I have to measure it because I will be putting a percentage of the other oils in it to give me the magic potion that I need to provide the benefits for what I'm looking for from my mix, okay? So as you could see, I am putting about half of my mix, and then I have a combination of different percentages of my oils, my magic oils, and this is what's going to fill up the other half of this mix. All right, again, we have half, more than half, I would say, of our mixed oil. Measure it up, and then this is the foundation of each bottle. Okay, so you could see the herbs are right here. When you're working with herbs, when you're working with essential oils, when you're working with carrier oils, do research on what you want to what your customers want to get. So do you want thickening of the hair? If you are looking for something to thicken, then the percentage of a castor oil would be higher than like a percentage of like a hemp seed oil. Okay, if you're looking for something, an elixir that is providing more moisturization, the percentage of like a jojoba, usually it's we consider it like a silicone oil, but the percentage of it would be different than like a rice bran oil. If you're looking for something that penetrates the hair shaft, then you have to do research on the different oils to know which oil you are going to incorporate into your hair elixir. Are you going to use argan oil? Are you going to use Moroccan oil? Are you going to use hemp seed? Whatever the case may be, what you're trying to accomplish, what clientele you're trying to target, research is important. And the different mixes that I'm making for the next 2 months, I wanted to have benefits for different things within the hair, especially currently looking at your age. A lot of people have gray hair and they're trying to wonder, how am I getting gray hair? What sort of oils that combat the graying of the hair? Usually with clients that come within my salon or my spa, I do a consultation with them, and there is a program they would have to go on that has to do with the internal detoxification of the body, cleansing of the body, because I always believe, I'm a strong believer, you work on the inside out. You work on the inside, then you see better results on the outside. Some people have gray hairs naturally, but some of them, they're just premature gray hair. And how do you combat premature gray hair? It is very important to check in with your doctors, see how your vitamins, minerals, everything is going on with your body, and then doing a detoxification and now incorporating the herbs, the vegetables, the vitamins, minerals you need to combat loss of hair or skin discoloration. Whatever the case may be, you have to work from the inside out, and then you're gonna see a lot more benefits with the oil. So I'm just going to continue this. Those of you who joined me in that video, looked at how I created it, I want to thank you for staying till the end of the video. Look out for my next videos. Again, this is Darcikinorganics. I do have a website. I also have placed my products on Walmart.com. Do support the brand. We're going to continue here, and these are going to be on the website for sale. I do want to thank you guys for joining me. See you in another video. Secret revealed.